Hello, my name is Roslyn Forde, and my topic is tardiness within the workplace. Should tardiness be encouraged? Without hesitating, I say emphatically no. I will back my decision by expounding on the following points. As a professional, we should strive to always be on time. Tardiness affects production. It can hurt our reputation. Improper planning can alleviate tardiness. Anderson shares that an employer is considered tardy when he or she fails to report for duty at the time scheduled. This, I may add, is a habit of being late. Therefore, tardiness should not be encouraged. As a professional, we should always aim to be on time. Punctuality displays a positive sign of readiness and preparedness to do the job. For persons working shift system, we should be cognizant of the person waiting that needs to be released. Resentment can arise when a person is habitually late and others must cover until they arrive. Tardiness affects production. Persons may think that it is not a big deal to be late. However, no matter how minor you think it may be, tardiness does affect productivity. Being late for meetings or even missing deadlines can be a huge setback. As the saying goes, time is money, and no one wants to lose money. By now, you would have acknowledged that tardiness is a problem or an issue, and it could hurt our reputation or our career. Being habitually late sends a clear message to those in authority that you are not serious about your work. It can be taken that you are unreliable and that you have no value for time. Unfortunately, this can hamper your chance for a great incentive or possible promotion. Now for the flip side. Tardiness can be expected from time to time. There may be good reasons for being tardy. At this time, employers should be sensitive to the needs of the worker and show some form of empathy. For example, a worker may have become a mom for the first time. The need to adjust or readjust to this new situation is worth some empathy on the part of the employer. Being new to a country and adapting and finding your way around can also need some leniency. However, being a new mom or even new to a country can be quickly resolved by proper planning. Proper planning can alleviate tardiness. A factor for tardiness is disorganization. Clothes not ready, documents cannot be located, etc. Another factor is the individual that is not self-motivated. To up this problem, we can acknowledge it and plan to be better. The use of a timer and alarm can assist to organize ourselves to be on time for work. Traffic, road construction, heavy rainfall, and accidents are all possible causes for tardiness. We should all plan for these. Give ourselves at least a 20-minute head start on our day's journey. Or even let us carpool, as this can also reduce the traffic congestion. As I conclude, Let us be mindful that allowing tardiness to be encouraged could develop a ripple effect on the rest of the staff. Everyone would be expecting the same leniency and would be coming into work whenever they feel like it. Encourage and celebrate those who attempt to improve, but never encourage tardiness. I thank you